Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Hager number 32E. That is a pull plate by Hager, and it is shipped loose like this. The pull is not connected to the plate. Bolts are included, of course, and we'll get to that now. So the 32E is a combination of a 30S plate, and that means that this plate is 4 by 16. 4 by 16, and a 2E pull. So a 30S plus a 2E equals a 32E, and there it is. That's the pull part of this. It's quite heavy. Each pull weighs almost 2.5 pounds. Overall height on the pull is about 6 3/8. The centers are going to be about 6 inch. Okay. The width of the pull, about 1 1/8. Thickness of the pole, about 5/16. Okay. It's heavy, it's substantial. The projection, about 1 3/4, and that means to the inside you're going to be closer to about 1 3/8 or so. This is not handicap compliant because it doesn't give the adequate clearance from the face of the door, just so that that's clear up front and understood. This 32E is in this video is in 32D finish. That means stainless steel with a satin brushed finish. Okay. The plate, this white finish you see, all it is the peel away protective film that is covering the pristine stainless steel with a brushed finish on it underneath. This plate thickness is 50 thousandths, which is the typical and common sort of thickness that you'll have on a kick plate, so it's no thinner than that, and it's no thicker. Thicker plates can be done. That's not completely unheard of, but very atypical. The 32E is very common. We see this all the time. The 32E and many other, quite frankly, Hager pulls are very common. A lot of people like this pull because, I'm not sure why, but it's a classic sort of design that you'll see in lots of places. I happen to see these in libraries and in universities is where I see these often. Screws are included. I had mentioned that before. You're going to get through bolts with finish washers or countersunk washers to go through the door, through the 2 holes, and then to mate up to the tapped holes behind, like that. Okay. Then you're going to get 6 by 5/8 oval head self-tapping screws. They're not self-drilling, they're just typical sheet metal screws with an oval head and an undercut head. There is a variety of finishes available in the 32E. All of the finishes on a brass-based material, brass-bronze-based material. Your brasses, your bronze, your chromes, satin polished, oil-rubbed bronze certainly. Aluminum-based material that you can do in the pull and the plate as well. The plate can be done in a variety of different sizes. Really any size that the pull will fit onto, but it'll fit onto practically all of them. 3 by 12, 3.5 by 15, 4 by 16, 6 by 16, 8 by 16. It can all be done, whatever you need. A custom size, of course, Hager can do. They'll entertain all of that. Speaking of Hager, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line Hager product catalog and review all things Hager hardware related, not only trim and auxiliary like a 32E, but of course weather stripping, lock sets, exit devices, door closers, trim and auxiliary hardware, not only push and pull hardware, but of course kick plates, door stops, latch protectors, a variety of items. But it's their namesake, Hager hinge, that they're most widely known for. Everything as it pertains to commercial, institutional, industrial, residential hinges. That's Hager's purview. They are a company that has been around since, I think, right before 1850, a fact that they're proud of, as are people like me who distribute for them. And they have a very loyal client base, and it's because of years and years and years of reliable, predictable shipping of quality components. That's what the Hager name, in my estimation, actually stands for. If you have any questions on the Hager 32E, stainless steel 32D, 32E and 32D, door pull, or any other Hager product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.